inú aṣẹ́wó iná náà ti rí Solomon. If somebody could come out and tell you God asked Samuel to lie, it's a
ẹ
lie.
káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì Pavilion TV akíyìn gbogbo ibi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò wá káàkiri àgbáyé o. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò wá ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ wá náà kò ní di o. Lónìí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run Prophet MKO Tibetan òun la tún gbé wá. Wọ́n ti fèsì ọ̀rọ̀ sí ohun tí ọba Solomon sọ o. Ọba Solomon àgbáyé ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ nípa pé Ọlọ́run ló kọ́ Samuel ní irọ́ láti pa. Ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ti sọ̀rọ̀ Prophet MKO Tibetan pé kò sí ní tó jọ o, wípé àṣìsọ ọ̀rọ̀ gbáà ni òun kò dẹ̀ dáa kí ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó máa jáde lẹ́nu ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Wọ́n wá tẹ̀síwájú, wọ́n ní ọba Solomon kọ̀mẹ́díà ni tí ó jẹ́ ní wá o. Tó ẹ farabalẹ̀, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ wò ó, kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí sọ. Ẹ máa bá a like, ẹ máa subscribe ẹ. A ó tún pàdé. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ń wò wá gbogbo ìgbà.
If somebody could come out and tell you he's a film actor and he want to talk, he want money, he's free. YouTube need anybody. You need an arm robber, you need chief, you need everything. And it's like all the old herbalists showcasing things. You are free to go and do your thing there. God says, let our truth prevail at all times. And when you look at what he said, in John 14, he said, I'm the way, the truth, and the light. I'm the way, the truth, and the light. So, but he didn't say, I'm the way, the light. No. If a drunkard want to quote anything in the Bible, he will have a portion to quote. When if a womanizer, an ashawo person, he will quote 1 Kings 3 from 16. Only we are both harlots, sleeping in the same house. This is what happened, this is what happened, this is what happened. Then one of the baby died, and he changed my baby. Is that so? That's a harlot. Then for a drunkard, for somebody who made love with their father, the daughter of Lot, all these are in the Bible. So he didn't know the Bible. He did not know his left from right. God is not author of confusion. And anybody who said they are doing is only wasting his time. Because he said, in the book of Genesis 17 and 18, in Genesis 18 from 10, he said, if I can find a 200 righteous person who has not lied, fornicate, do anything dodgy, I will spare Sodom and Gomorrah. They dragged to fall. But he now said, oh guys, you are going in 19, 24, 25, 26. He said, don't look at back. Then when you look at Genesis 14, Genesis 25, Genesis 26, Isaac lied about his marriage when they wanted to rough handle the wife. Then when you look at all these people, they lied. You know what I'm saying? So, but they cannot dodge it. They cannot run away from it. But God never taught us to lie. These are before their life. And when you look at the book of Genesis 22, from 10 down, he said, Daddy, where is the ram for the sacrifice? He said, the Lord will provide. And eventually the Lord provided. Did the Lord lie? No. Now when you look at the book of Genesis 12, he said, leave your father's abode to a place I want to take you. When you get there, I will make you a rich person. Genesis 13, 1 to 10. He said Abraham was so rich in cattle. You know what I'm saying? If you are lying, you are for devil. Devil is controlling your brain. Because he said, I will put my word into your mouth. And when you look at Deuteronomy 8:18, and when you look at the book of Deuteronomy 29:9, then when you look at the book of Deuteronomy, the book of Amos, chapter 1 and chapter 2, you can't lie and go scot-free. Look at the two armed robbers by the side of Jesus Christ in the book of Luke 23. Luke 23 from verse 21 downward. He said, why don't you keep your mouth shut? We knew that we are criminal. Then leave this man alone. Nobody has ever had him telling lies, but he was trying to save people. Then when you look at the story of Luke 19, Luke 16, then when you look at Luke 12, then when you look out of the Apostle 3, out of the Apostle 5 from verse 30, out of the Apostle 4, then when you look at that of the Apostle 6, he said, can we see anybody that is righteous who does not lie? So the problem that man has He's not a Bible scholar. He's not a Bible reader. But devil too has a church. And when you look at the book of Job 1, Job 2, Job 3, Job 3 and 4, only on nothing more beru gidigidi lo de ba mi. Only àṣẹ̀yìnwá ibi de. Then when you look at the book of Job 15, he said he should go and destroy the Amalekites. Utter destruction. But later he spared some animal, some ram, some beast. Then later the man has said, you know what? Ariwo ẹran tá ń gbọ́ nínú ilé yìí. Do you spare some? Even the king, he spared the king. Then Samuel went there to kill all those people. Then and make them thinking that maybe the Lord will still be fine with Saul. Then later he said, I have totally rejected Samuel as Saul. Then as he was going, Saul dragged the garment of Samuel. He said, the garment has been even torn into pieces in your hand. So automatically, from there, he said there must not be any vacuum. There must not be any what? Any vacuum. Even before, when you look at the book of 1 Samuel 8, 9, 10, and 11, he said, don't worry, go and give them king. They've not rejected you. They've not fooled you. They've only fooled me. Go and give them, but give them the profile. Give them the profile of the king that is going to govern them. And at the end of the day, he gave them the profile. But the profile he now gave to them, there are a lot of fake pastors, fake evangelists, fake general overseer, fake GO in Nigeria today. But God is not coming. And when you look at the book of Ezekiel 33 from verse 10, you go down, he said a lot of things there. Then when you look at the book of Ezekiel again, 37, he said, how can dry bone live? You know, it's a mystery. But he said, it's only you. Then when you look at the book of Psalm 39, he said, Psalm 49, 39, Psalm 139, then Psalm 25 from verse 10. Then he said, àwọn tó ń dà wá, àwọn tó ń bà wá, àwọn tó ń bà ìsìn jẹ́, kì í ṣe àwọn tó wà níbi tó jìnnà, àwọn tó súnmọ́ wa, àwọn ẹgbẹ́ wa, àwọn ọ̀gbà wa. So that's all. That is all. So automatically nǹkan tó ń sọ kò get it right. Then Mr. Bone ló sọ fún wa ní 1 Corinthians 10. Ó ní kí ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ kí a ṣe àgbèrè bí àwọn kan ṣe ṣe tí 23,000 died in what? In a day. Ṣé báwo ni ó ṣe ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì? Ṣé wọ́n ṣe ń kọ́ hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì ní? So but yóò ṣe nǹkan. Tí eléyìí tó sọ yẹn tiẹ̀ ni o. Kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. But tó rọ̀ pé tí ẹ̀kọ́ bá já bọ́ọ̀lẹ̀, ó máa kó yẹ̀pẹ̀ tiẹ̀ dání. Bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Bí àwọn ṣe rí nìyẹn. Yọ pé ó jọ gàtè kò jọ gàtè. Ibì kan náà ni ó máa pẹ́ láfi ilẹ̀ fún. But tó bá já tàbá débi tá ń lọ. He said in John, and when you look at the book of Acts of the Apostles 19, from verse 21 down, only John will know, Paul will know. But if this of God, because he said even the big judge in the book of Acts of the Apostles 5, from verse 31, he said, if the undertaking is of men, before many days to collapse, but if it is of God, let's go and see. So my brother, God is not the author of lying. God never tells people to lie. Even when you are saying, look at Job 1. Only ọkùnrin kan wà ní ilẹ̀ òsì, orúkọ rẹ̀ ṣì máa jẹ́ Job. Very sincere, frank, and straightforward human being. So that's it. And when you look at the end of Solomon that he quoted, you know, ọmọ aṣẹ́wó inú aṣẹ́wó yìí náà ti rí Solomon. If somebody could come out and tell you, God asked Samuel to lie, it's a lie. And when you look at 2 Samuel 10, 11, 12, how Solomon came to be. Even they killed the biological son. The first son of the house, that's Absalom, died for Solomon. Then, but God knows the end of everything. From beginning, God knows the end of everything. Then when you look at the book of Ecclesiastes 7 and 8, the last 3 verses, he wept bitterly, he complained bitterly. Because as he said, so he lied to God, Queen of Sheba, this and that, eating with good spoon and everything. But at the end of the day, he paid for it. God bless you, my brother. He's a film actor. And he wants to talk, he wants money, he's free. YouTube need anybody. You need an arm robber, you need thief, you need everything. and eat like all the old herbalists showcasing things. You are free to go and do your thing there.